I'm so excited to open. We've been waiting for this moment since we closed a couple months ago. And this moment is the time for our guests to come onto the property and see all the new safety measures while enjoying Disney Springs for the special place that it is. We're implementing new safety measures to ensure that our guests can enjoy Disney Springs. And we've got an incredible group of cast members here circulating throughout the property to assist them in this way. It's a really exciting time here.